Hey everyone, in this video we are reviewing the OKUP M78, a powered office chair designed for long work sessions. It's built for comfort and includes full recline, powered lumbar support, massage, heating and ventilation. This chair combines an ergonomic work setup with relaxation features you don't usually see in office seating. So let's dive in and see what makes it special and worth its premium price. Starting with the unboxing, it comes in 2 boxes and everything is neatly organized. Right away, the materials look premium and the frame feels solid and well constructed. The backrest is covered in smooth top-grain leather with clean, even stitching, giving it a premium look and a comfortable feel right out of the box. The seat base feels solid and the power components have some weight to them, which is a good sign for durability. Looking at all the parts out of the box, you get the seat base, the backrest, the headrest and side cushion arm, the wheel space with all the wheels and piston. The hardware kit includes a power adapter and wiring harness. Everything is organized, so it's easy to identify what connects where. The assembly steps are easy to follow. The user manual walks you through everything clearly, and it also includes safety notes, cleaning recommendations, and troubleshooting instructions if you ever need them. Start by attaching the wheels to the wheelbase. Each wheel simply clicks into place with a firm push. Once all the wheels are attached to the base, drop the gas piston into the center opening of the wheelbase. It should sit straight and steady without forcing anything. Next, connect the wiring harness underneath the seat base, making sure each plug goes into its labeled port and it is connected to the power plug. After the wiring is complete, lift the seat base and gently attach the gas cylinder piston on it. Align it so the center of the seat fits directly over the piston. Once it's attached, carefully lift the entire chair upright. You should feel the base settle into position, creating a stable foundation for the rest of the assembly. Finally, line up the backrest with the seat base and slide it into the built-in fittings. At the top, insert the headrest into its mounting slot, push it down until it clicks, and position the armrest over the side fitting and press down firmly so they'll lock onto the seat base. Complete setup takes around 20 to 30 minutes. The instructions are simple, and the chair includes an 8-year warranty, which gives you confidence considering the powered setup. Alright, let's have a look at the features of this chair. The M78 uses a powered recline system that lets you adjust your sitting position with simple button controls. The backrest and footrest work independently, so you can fine-tune how you sit without having to move the entire chair at once. Press the backrest button to lean back gradually until you find the angle that feels right for working, reading, or taking a quick break. If you want extra support, tap the footrest button to raise your legs. The footrest lifts on its own, which is ideal for relaxing or easing pressure on your lower body. When you want to fully stretch out, hold both buttons and let the chair glide into a complete recline. The M78 goes all the way to a 180-degree flat position. This is great for short rest breaks, quick resets during long work sessions, or just leaning back to watch something comfortably. The headrest is noticeably larger than most office chairs. It tilts forward or backward 0 to 30 degrees, and you can raise or lower it to match your neck position. If you don't need it, you can remove it completely. It really helps reduce pressure on your neck and shoulders during long hours. The powered lumbar support lets you choose how much lower back curve you want. It keeps your lower back aligned and reduces strain. Instead of leaving gaps like standard chairs, this one maintains full contact. Press the button to increase or decrease support. It stays in contact with your spine whether you're leaning forward or reclining. It helps maintain a natural sitting posture without overcorrecting. On top of that, the chair includes a built-in vibration massage system that delivers gentle, consistent pulses through the back and seat area. There's also a heating function that focuses on the lower back and adds gentle warmth, which can be helpful in colder environments or during long typing sessions. It even comes with ventilated seat. It allows air to flow through, keeping you comfortable even after long hours of sitting. It prevents heat buildup and adds extra comfort if you work in warm conditions. One of the convenient things about the M78 is that it doesn't need to stay plugged in all the time. The built-in battery stores enough power to run the chair functions for weeks on a single charge, so your workspace stays clean and free from dangling cables. It feels more like using a standalone recliner than a powered office chair. There's also a USB port built into the control panel, which is handy for keeping your phone or small devices charged while you work. The leather surface has a premium feel, the metal and aluminum frame adds solid support, and the cushioning stays comfortable without feeling overly soft. Cleaning is simple and only takes a quick wipe. The motors also run quietly, so making adjustments doesn't disturb anyone nearby. That's my take on the OKUP M78. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos like this, consider subscribing for more tech and ergonomic reviews. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.